learners.
When we go shopping, we follow some simple rules to stay safe and happy. When you go shopping, always stay close to your parents. Walk calmly inside the store, no running or jumping. Don't wander alone. Stay with your parents at all times. If you want something, don't scream or grab. Ask politely. If your parents say no, don't cry or shout. Stay calm. When it's time to pay, wait in line quietly. Don't push. After billing, say thank you to the cashier. You can help by carrying a light bag or pushing a small cart. Smart shoppers are calm, polite, and helpful. So when you go to shopping, stay with parents, walk, don't run, ask, don't shout, wait for your turn, and say thank you.
Thank you for watching Momo Learners. Like, share and subscribe.